Your attention, please.
I'm going to be super backlit here, but after riding that, did you guys notice anything different? To me, it seemed like there was a lot more lights, a lot more garland, just a lot more decorations this time around. I mean, Mexico had a little tree dangling from the ceiling. In the, what is it, the Africa, is it? In the Africa section, it seemed like there was a lot more lights, a lot more garland. I don't know, it seemed a lot merrier to me. I really liked it. I wanted to know if you guys saw anything else that I might have missed, but that was one of the more enjoyable rides on Small World Holiday. So we are hopping on the train and heading over to Haunted Mansion for our first Haunted Mansion holiday. We gotta go see Jack. Gotta see Jack Skellington sometime in this. Well, this trip it is. This trip is our first Haunted Mansion holiday. Like I said, we gotta see Jack. So we'll see you over there. So before we head over to Haunted Mansion, we had to make a quick stop to get some beignets and to make a quick announcement. And that is we got to sit with Fresh Baked on the train. We didn't take pictures. We didn't really want to bother them because they were doing their own little show and just thought to be polite and just kind of, yeah, we let them be. But we did get to say hi and goodbye and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. So we got some beignets to try, and they are, what are they? Candy cane. Candy cane beignets. So let's take a peek.
They're hot.
It's hot? Okay, so there's one, nice and hot. I want to see the other ones. Okay, I'm gonna try it, but I don't think I'm gonna like them because I don't like peppermint. Here's an attempt. Okay, normal beignet, peppermint, powdered sugar. It does taste like a candy cane. I love candy canes, and I love beignets. I don't know how I like them together, and you guys just missed this, and there's no way I could film it. Ashley like shook the bag, opened it, and it just went like all in her face. But it's good, especially if you like peppermint.
It smells so
I'm just not big on peppermint. It's a little too strong for me, but overall not bad, and they are definitely hot. No, I ate it 0, but definitely very hot, served hot, and they taste good. Ashley's gonna love it. And is there anything better than to wash down some beignets than with the mint julep? I love these new mint juleps. They taste so good, and they don't taste quite like as artificial. But anyways, we're off to Haunted Mansion, and I probably won't film because last time I did it came out like crap. So we'll probably see us on Thunder Mountain because we have a fast pass for that at 10 o'clock. I hate snakes. Oh, here we go. Woohoo! Oh! 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 hard to do. Gotta love Thunder Mountain. Ashley did not do me any favors while attempting to film that. She just let me slide all over the place every turn because I had to use two hands just to make sure my phone wouldn't fly out of my hand. Yet, no, she didn't help at all. So we're going to wander this back trail because we really like this trail. I like the remodel. Yes, I miss my barbecue. I miss my jamboree, but they did the what? The goats. But this is so pretty. And I just love this rock work. The color. And in only a mere 7-8 months, this will be jam-packed full of people. That's my only fear, is what is this going to look like in 8 months? Come July, when Star Wars Land's open, oh boy, full of people. So we are now making a long trek back to Bengal Barbecue for lunch. And just enjoying the walk over. It's a what? It's a bridge? Oh. Well, yeah, but it's not like it's tall. It's not a tall bridge. That way? Let's go this way. Yeah. What show do they have? Is it Tangled? I liked when they did the Beauty and the Beast one. More of Ashley's ears.
Ladies, a royal round of applause for Princess Rapunzel! And can I get a hearty huzzah for Glenn Ryder?
I don't know what to make of this kind of day, guys. It seems like it's not crowded, but then there's some lines that are really long. So I don't know what kind of day this is. So we just got our food. I have to recommend you guys use mobile order because when we're walking over, we ordered our food. Now you have to pay for it on the app. That's the only thing that might throw a wrench into your plans. But use mobile order whenever possible because this is the second time we've used it. We used it once in Florida and now once here. And like I said, as we were walking, we placed our order. Ashley got a table. I walked up to the window. I clicked "I'm here." Within 30 seconds, my food was ready. And Literally the process was that simple. So I'm just gonna quickly run down what we got. So first up, we got a tiger tail, which is just a cheesy breadstick. Then we got the rice bowl basically, but it's a choice of 2 skewers. So we always get the banyan beef, which is spicy beef, and it comes with a slaw, some rice, and then we always get the veggie skewer because then you mix the two, and it makes a little meal. And then the jungle julep, which is just basically a whole bunch of fruit juices in a slush. So it's all really good. Overall, this cost us in total about $23 with tax and our discount. Without our discount, it's like $27. So Bengal barbecue is a little more expensive, but it is very, very delicious. A question for you guys. Have you ever been on Autopia and had your vehicle run out of gas?